Have you ever wondered where COVID-19, the virus that shook the world, actually came from? This question has intrigued scientists and researchers worldwide, leading to an array of theories and ongoing investigations. COVID-19, a virus that has had an unprecedented global impact, is a puzzle we are yet to solve completely. From disrupting economies to altering life as we know it, there's no denying that its ripple effects are far-reaching. Understanding the origin of this virus is not just about satisfying our curiosity, it's about equipping ourselves with the knowledge to combat it more effectively and to prepare for potential future pandemics. Unraveling the mystery of its origin could provide invaluable insights into its behavior, transmission, and the development of more efficacious treatments or vaccines. It's a complex jigsaw puzzle that we're piecing together bit by bit in the hope of gaining a clearer picture, so let's dive into the timeline of this global phenomenon. It all started in late 2019, in Wuhan, China. In the midst of bustling city life, an unseen enemy was beginning to stir. At first it seemed like a cluster of unusual pneumonia cases, but soon it was clear this was something entirely different. Something the world hadn't seen before. The culprit? A novel coronavirus, later named COVID-19. This virus, with its distinctive crown-like spikes, was about to change the world as we knew it. As the days and weeks unfolded, the number of cases in Wuhan began to rise. And then, almost like a domino effect, the virus began to infiltrate other cities, provinces, and eventually, countries. By January of 2020, the World Health Organization had declared the situation a public health emergency of international concern. It was an alarm bell, a call to action for the world to unite against this common enemy. But despite the best efforts of scientists, healthcare workers, and governments worldwide, the virus continued its relentless march. In March of 2020, the inevitable happened. The World Health Organization declared COVID-19 a pandemic. This marked a significant turning point. The virus was no longer confined to specific regions or countries. It was a global threat, an enemy that knew no borders. From Asia to Europe, Africa to the Americas, the virus swept across continents, affecting millions of people. It brought bustling cities to a standstill, overwhelmed healthcare systems, and disrupted life as we knew it. The world was grappling with an adversary that seemed invincible. But amidst the chaos, there was resilience, a collective will to fight back. Scientists were working round the clock, healthcare workers were on the front lines, and communities were coming together in solidarity. It was a testament to the indomitable human spirit. In just a few months, the virus had spread globally, leaving no corner of the world untouched. As the world grappled with the virus, scientists raced against time to understand it. The COVID-19 virus, a novel strain of coronavirus, presented a unique set of challenges. It was a new enemy, one that the scientific community had to study from scratch. And study they did, making remarkable discoveries that have deepened our understanding of this virus and how it operates. Diving into the genetic makeup of the virus was the first step. Scientists found that COVID-19, scientifically known as SARS-CoV-2, belongs to the family of coronaviruses, so named for their crown-like appearance under the microscope. But this was no ordinary coronavirus. Its genetic sequence revealed a unique set of spike proteins that enabled it to latch onto human cells with an alarming efficiency. Understanding how the virus spreads was another significant discovery. It became clear that the virus primarily spreads through respiratory droplets when an infected person coughs, sneezes, talks, or breathes. This knowledge steered public health guidelines worldwide, leading to the widespread use of masks and social distancing measures. The virus's impact on the human body was another area of intense study. From the commonly known respiratory issues to lesser-known neurological and cardiovascular effects, the virus's wide-ranging impact on human health was gradually uncovered. Perhaps the most significant discovery was the development and rollout of vaccines. In an unprecedented global effort, scientists developed multiple effective vaccines in less than a year, a testament to the power of collaboration and innovation. These vaccines, targeting the virus's unique spike protein, have become our primary defense in the battle against COVID-19. These discoveries have been crucial in our fight against the virus. They have not only improved our ability to treat and prevent the disease, but have also provided invaluable insights into the nature of viruses and how we can better prepare for future pandemics. So where did this virus come from? One theory points to animals. Yes, you heard that right, animals, specifically bats or pangolins. This theory suggests that COVID-19, a virus that has changed the world as we know it, was originally a resident of the animal kingdom. You might be wondering, how did a virus from bats or pangolins jump to humans? Well, the theory proposes that this interspecies jump happened at a wildlife market in Wuhan, China. These markets are known to be a melting pot of various species, creating a perfect environment for viruses to jump from one species to another, including humans. And why bats or pangolins, you ask? These creatures have been in the spotlight due to the genetic similarities between the coronaviruses found in them and the virus that causes COVID-19. Genetic studies have shown that the virus shares about 96% of its genetic material with a bat coronavirus and up to 99% with a pangolin coronavirus. This high level of genetic similarity hints that one of these animals could be the original host of the virus. However, it's crucial to remember that this is just a theory. While it's backed by genetic evidence, the exact path of transmission to humans remains unclear. There is a missing link, possibly another animal that acted as an intermediary host, which has yet to be found. This animal origin theory is one among many that scientists are exploring to unravel the mystery of COVID-19's origins. Each theory brings us a step closer to understanding how this virus came to be, which is key in preventing future pandemics. However, this is just one theory. There are others. In the next scene, we'll delve into another theory that has caused quite a stir in the scientific community and beyond: the lab leak theory. Another theory suggests the virus might have accidentally leaked from a lab. This hypothesis, known as the lab leak theory, has been the subject of intense debate in scientific circles and beyond. It posits that COVID-19 might have accidentally escaped from a high-security virology lab, such as the one in Wuhan, China, where coronaviruses were being studied. There are several reasons why some find this theory plausible. For one, laboratory leaks are not unheard of. There have been documented incidents in the past where pathogens have accidentally been released from labs. The proximity of the Wuhan Institute of Virology to the initial outbreak also lends some credence to this theory. However, it's important to note that this theory is far from universally accepted. Many scientists argue that it lacks concrete evidence. The World Health Organization conducted an investigation into the origins of the virus and concluded that introduction through a laboratory incident was extremely unlikely. Critics of the lab leak theory also point out that it diverts attention from the more likely natural origins of the virus. They argue that the focus should be on preventing future pandemics, which are more likely to come from animal-to-human transmission in wildlife markets and other high-risk environments. While the lab leak theory has gained some attention and credibility, it's worth noting that it remains controversial and unresolved. The scientific consensus continues to lean towards a natural origin, although all possibilities are being explored. This theory, like others, underscores the complexity and uncertainty surrounding the origins of COVID-19. It highlights the challenges scientists face in tracing the origins of a pandemic and the importance of rigorous, transparent research in this quest. The origin of COVID-19 remains a mystery, with each theory raising more questions than answers. The quest to uncover the truth continues, as does the global effort to prevent future pandemics. Despite the ongoing debates and research, the origin of COVID-19 remains elusive. We've journeyed through the outbreak, delved into major discoveries, and considered the theories of animal origin and possible lab leak. Each theory carries its own weight and validity, yet the definitive answer still eludes us. This mystery serves as a testament to the complexity of our world and the viruses that inhabit it. It underlines the importance of relentless scientific exploration, as every theory provides a piece to the puzzle. The animal origin theory helps us understand how viruses can jump species, while the lab leak theory reminds us of the need for stringent safety protocols. Ultimately, the search for the origin of COVID-19 is not just about solving a scientific conundrum, it's about safeguarding our future. Every piece of information we gather, every theory we explore, brings us one step closer to preventing similar outbreaks in the future. As we continue to unravel this mystery, one thing is clear: understanding the origin of COVID-19 is key to preventing future pandemics.